Hey guys, my name is Sarah Tamor, and I am doing a playthrough of my game Dino Girl. In this, we're going to try to collect some coins and avoid some enemies. Oh, as I just ate one. We're going to use the arrow keys. Oh my goodness, I might lose. Now we're going around two. So using the arrow keys, we're going to go left and right to get these coins. W is jump. This guy's doing a little dance. Oh, there he goes. He decided he would like to not dance anymore. There we go. We win the game. Hope you guys enjoyed.